Alright, today I have a Nissan Rogue, and I'm going to show you how to fold the side view mirror so people don't clip it when your vehicle is parked. Now, some vehicles have an automatic feature where it closes in, but this one doesn't. I'm going to show you how to fold it in so your side view mirror does not get clipped. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply go ahead and turn the vehicle off. It's in park. I'm going to open up the door, and then I'm going to come around, and you see this door right here, or not the door, but you see this. I'm going to take this and go like that, and it folded in just like that. Now you can't clip. Now when you're ready to drive, you just simply take this right here, go like that, and now it's open. And that's how you fold and unfold the side view mirror in this Nissan Rogue. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.